So let's continue working with the project. Now you can see, for example, if you select card make, you can see that we have 3 cards right here. So we need to update the list of results. So let's open the project. And now you can see we have console log result right here. So we're going to remove these. And right here I'm going to add, for example, if result.length. And we're going to use an else statement. So this means that we have some results right here. So in this case, we're going to execute the function that is called show cards. We already have this function. It's going to be this one. You can see it takes an array of cards. So we don't have to do anything else. Here on the show cards, we're going to pass the result. Else, at the moment, we're going to have an alert that says no results found. We're going to build this in just a little. It's going to be the last part. So for example, let me save this and let me, for example, select Audi. You can see nothing happening. And you can see it didn't update. But if you scroll at the bottom, you can see we have all the different Audis right here. And this is happening because the show card function is using append child. So this means that it's not cleaning the previous HTML, it's adding a new HTML in this part. So we need to clean the previous HTML and then we need to display this. So in order to achieve something like this, we're going to create a new function that is called clear HTML. So we can reuse this. So here on the show cards right here, we're going to clear previous HTML. Well, this is going to be a function. It's going to be really self-explanatory. So right here, I'm going to use function. We're going to call clear HTML. And we're going to use select the container. And then we're going to clear the HTML. So this is going to add, the results are going to be displayed here on the result. So we're going to select this as the container. And we're going to use document.querySelector. And we're going to use result. And again, we're going to use while container.firstChild. We're going to use container remove child. Container first child. First child like this. So this is going to clear the previous result. So now we need to call this. We're going to execute the function right here, and then we're going to fill the cards that we have in the array. In this case, it's going to be the results. In this case, or this part right here. So we can save this again. And for example, let's say that I want to select the BMW. It's going to clear the previous HTML and it's going to display only the BMW. If you want to check, for example, by year, let's say 2080, it's going to clear also that HTML. So now you can see we have these live results in our project. This is looking really, really nice. For example, here in this one 4, it says no results found. So you can see everything is working as expected. In the next video, we're going to see how to implement the max price and the min price. So let's continue working in the next video.